In this short tutorial, I will show you a simple way to make strike-through text in WhatsApp. Strike-through text is a fun way to emphasize a message or show that something has been edited. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. And then tap and select the chat in which you want to send strike-through text. Then tap here. To make strike-through text in WhatsApp, all you need to do is put tildes on either side of the text you want to strike through. For example, if you want to write hello with a strike-through, type it like this. Then send it. Once you send the message, the text inside the tildes will appear with a line through it. This simple formatting trick can be used in both individual chats and group chats on WhatsApp. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.